Morning. Today we are going to learn about DMVPN. First, I would like to tell you the first topic will be just an introduction of DMVPN we are going to learn. So, why exactly we use DMVPN? Actually, DMVPN we use for a routing technique to build a VPN network. Okay, so it is actually a good option for means alternative of MPLS networks. Because see, if you're having a headquarter somewhere situated in Delhi, and if suppose you're having a branch in Goa, for example, two locations, one will be in Panjim and another will be in Margao. So to connect those branches with the headquarter, we required MPLS. So but here the thing is, like, if suppose you're having a less budget, then you won't able to like take those MPLS network because your budget is less. So what DMVPN provides you is, by using just simple internet, you will take internet from ISP, internet service provider, and by using that ISP and using this DMVPN technique, you can do communication with the hub and with the spokes too. So here, to learn about DMVPN, we must know these four things in the introduction. The first one is the multi-point GRE. Second one is next hop resolution protocol. Third one is the routing technique we are going to use inside the network, and that will be like, it can be RIP, EIGRP, border gateway protocol, BGP. And the fourth one is recommended. It is internet protocol security, but you can skip this one if you want. But for more secure, obviously it is, you will, if you want more secure network, then definitely you will go for IPsec 2. We'll break this DMVPN into four parts and we'll learn each, like what is multi-point GRE, what is NHRP, and why we use DMVPN. When we say dynamic multi-point virtual private network, we are actually connecting 3-4 different areas. Like, if suppose just now I said about Delhi, my headquarters is in Delhi, for example. And this is Panjim, and this one will be, let's take an example, Margao. So what happens, this will be kind of private LAN, okay, and when we say a private LAN, it will be different from another, like it will be like a big network itself, but here we want a separate for my office work. Okay, so you have already seen, like, this is the place which we want to connect, and when we'll be going through MPLS, definitely it will be more secure, okay, because we are taking a separate network itself from the ISP. Okay, so the thing is, like I told about efficient, it is efficient, but it will be like costly, obviously. So we are using a technique called DMVPN. So the first point I would like to tell about multi-point GRE. What happens when we are using a network GRE, okay, and suppose I want to tunnel some data from Delhi to Panjim, then again from Delhi to Margao, okay, and again I want to tunnel from Panjim to Margao. So there will be altogether 3 tunnels, okay, which will be separated, which will be created one by one. Just a sec, I'll just get the topology. Okay, so for example, each branch, like 2 branches over here, one will be Panjim and Margao, okay, and has to be connected to headquarter. Okay, this is the headquarter, which is Delhi. Okay, so will be like there will be one tunnel like this. Okay, again from another there will be one tunnel. So the second requirement is traffic between branch 1 and branch 2. Okay, from Margao till Panjim there will be one more tunnel. And the third one will be traffic between branch. Okay, this much only will take. Okay, so the next will be, so we have already built 3 different tunnels. Okay, one will be for Delhi to Panjim, and the another will be from Delhi to Margao, and there will be one from Panjim to Margao. So problem what over here is, this is not that very scalable solution. If suppose one more branch comes up in between, if suppose my business is increasing and I have one more branch opened in Goa or somewhere in other parts of India, so again it will be like very difficult, because for every connection you will have to like create a separate point, okay, to your branch, and which will be very difficult. And this is why multi-point we use, and as the name implies, allows us to have multiple destination. Okay, so the destination will be multiple. You just have to create one tunnel interface. Okay, over here. Okay, you can see in picture. Okay, that you don't have to create more tunnel interfaces on your router. Okay, so I'll just rub this. So there will be only one tunnel. Okay, there will be only one tunnel. So on this there is only one tunnel interface. Then again on this, on Panjim and also in Margao routers. Okay, so right now we are having like hub and spoke topology. This will be hub and this will be spoke. The thing is, like, whenever we want to send some traffic from router 1, like from Delhi till Panjim, then automatically it will create a tunnel. Okay, and if suppose we want to send something to Margao destination, then again it will get tunneled automatically from the same interface. Okay, so the you can just make out about DMVPN is that we use multi-point GRE, so we can have multiple destinations. I guess you all can see over here the first destination will be the Panjim and the second will be the Margao. So whenever you want to send a tunnel data from Delhi till Panjim, then it will get automatically tunneled. Okay, and it will create automatically tunnel. And whenever you want to say from Delhi till Margao, it will automatically. And if suppose you want to make communication from spoke to spoke from Panjim till Margao, then again the data will get tunneled. Okay, so there could be like different scenario, like if suppose there is something called hub and spoke. Okay, so every data will go to hub and then it will come to spoke. But the cool thing about here is, like, here you can create like spoke to spoke communication. You can do, you don't have to send each and every data till through hub. Okay, you can directly tunnel data from your spoke to spoke. This is the important thing in DMVPN. Let's go to another this. So how we actually configure? Okay, when we configure point to point GRE tunnel, okay, we have to configure a source and the destination IP address that I used to build GRE tunnel. When